I discovered 6 websites that you may use to start earning money quickly on a daily basis. These websites are free to start, and most of them don't require you to have any prior experience or skills. In fact, this first website provides you the opportunity to do absolutely no work at all and earn money each month, practically guaranteed. So, this first website is called Honeygain, and they also have an app which allows you to make a passive income of up to $184 each month without doing any labor or anything. The company is trusted by thousands of individuals and I use it myself. Essentially, the website will pay you for allowing companies to use your internet. I suppose that may seem strange to you, but bear with me while I explain. The way you earn money is by you first installing the app on your computer, phone, tablet, or other smart devices. The app then uses your internet in the background to obtain small pieces of data from the web. I can already imagine what some of you are feeling about how suspicious that seems. I thought that too at first. However, Honeygain simply makes use of your internet connection only without accessing any of your information, and your private information will absolutely not be accessed. The app never attempts to obtain access to your device's memory to ensure security. And only trusted organizations from around the world are using the little amounts of data being gathered from your internet connection for tasks such as price comparison, web analytics, and other approved business procedures. And as I previously stated, doing this can earn you up to $184 each month. The best thing is that installing the application on your smartphone or as many other devices as you wish is all that is required. The more devices you install the application on, the more cash you can earn. Additionally, I will have a link in the description down below for you to sign up for free and receive a $5 bonus simply for doing so. The second website on the list is Etsy.com. The creation and sale of printables is an extremely undervalued method of earning money online. In fact, one of the most lucrative categories on sites such as Etsy is printables. Etsy is one of the largest e-commerce companies out there and is visited by over 400 million individuals each month. Anyways, these printables include planners, calendars, wall art, and many more selections. What makes printables such a solid and simple method to earn money online is that there are plenty of free tools and resources that you may utilize to obtain free graphics and designs to utilize in your printables, even if you are not an expert. In addition to being relatively simple to construct, this method can offer you an excellent form of passive income. And since printables are digital goods, when someone purchases one from you on Etsy, you are not required to perform any further labor to sell that good. Instead, they are only purchasing a file from you, which, in principle, is something that could be sold indefinitely. Now, there are several variables that affect how much money you may make selling printables online. Just keep in mind that some individuals do this and generate a few $1,000s a year, while others earn far over $1 million or more. How much money you ultimately make will entirely depend on your capacity to identify well-liked printables that customers are willing to purchase. And then strive to create a large number of these printables as you possibly can, since the more you have available, the wider your audience will be and the more sales you will generate. The third website on the list is usertesting.com, which is essentially the king of the user testing or survey business. Usertesting.com rewards you very well in comparison to other survey companies that offer you low-quality surveys that pay you cents for each completed task. The biggest corporations in the world utilize usertesting.com to get crucial information about their products or services. These are businesses that are prepared to spend a lot of money to obtain honest opinions from genuine individuals. For example, a 5-minute survey would pay $10, a 20-minute survey would pay $30 to $120, and a live video call that might run between 30 minutes to an hour would pay even more. You might be thinking, what exactly will we do on usertesting.com? Are we just answering surveys? Well, that's not quite it. Usertesting.com is a platform that measures usability and user experience, similar to other survey websites. Essentially, to ensure that the customer experience when utilizing their goods is aligned with the brand's objectives, you will test products such as applications, websites, and perhaps even real physical items. If your device does not already have a built-in microphone, you will need one, along with a reliable internet connection, a PayPal account if you wish to be paid, and a laptop or computer to get going. Now, to get started, first visit usertesting.com, click the link that reads, "Get paid to test," input your email address, and then follow the on-screen directions to get started. I believe it's safe to state that earning a little additional cash on the side while assisting companies in creating superior goods and services that benefit individuals all over the globe is nice. The fourth website on the list is Google Opinion Rewards. As we know, doing surveys can be a decent method to earn some additional cash. However, let's face it, the vast majority of these survey companies are outright frauds, and you will likely just earn a few bucks for your time. What if I told you that there is a survey company that pays quite well and is 100% legit? But do not take it from me, believe the 2.8 million users who say it really does work. And the app has been downloaded more than 50 million times. If that doesn't convince you, it is made by Google. Remember that Google is the firm that essentially controls the entire internet and is one of the largest companies in the world. Therefore, I believe we may accept their word that they will pay us. Simply download the app to your phone, answer a few questions about yourself, and you'll start to receive notifications whenever surveys become available. Once you finish the surveys, the money is paid directly to your PayPal account. The best thing about all of this is that most surveys will only last about a minute, making it quite convenient for you to use almost at any place. For example, while waiting in line, waiting in a classroom, or even during your break at work, you may do these surveys. Now, depending on the length and intricacy of the survey, each one will pay you between 25 cents and $20. Obviously, this won't replace your current job, but it is simple and will offer you some additional cash every day that you may use to cover some of your spending. The fifth website on the list is aspirational. It may be difficult to believe, yet major search engines such as Google aren't entirely automated by computer programs. In reality, there is someone organizing Google's dozens and dozens of search result pages in the back end. These individuals are known as search engine evaluators. Making educated judgments regarding websites, music videos, music in general, photographs, charts, and other data while grading them for correctness, completeness and other aspects is part of your work as a search engine evaluator. The work really needs no prior expertise or skills, and all you need to start off with this job is a smartphone and a laptop or a personal computer. Begin by searching Search Engine Evaluator Google app on google.com. Once you discover this link, click it to be sent to this application page. You will be required to download an app onto your smartphone in order to accomplish the tasks, and you must be prepared to dedicate at least 10 hours of scheduled labor every week. Therefore, if you wish to, you may select the days you want to work, say, 2 hours every night during the weekdays, for a total of 10 hours a week. You may even work more hours if available and you wish to do so. Nonetheless, you can earn approximately $18 per hour by doing this. I would think that this is a rather simple method to make decent money online, especially since you can choose your own hours and work whenever and wherever you would like. The final website on the list that you can use to make money online is Pinterest.com. The demand for this money-making opportunity is quite great, but not many individuals are providing the service. You've probably heard of Pinterest. It's incredibly popular and has steadily increased since its founding about a decade ago. Pinterest is a popular tool used by a number of companies to advertise themselves. Essentially, almost every pin you see on Pinterest is probably some kind of advertisement, whether it's for a business, product, blog article, or something else. In order to drive traffic to their websites, several companies rely heavily on Pinterest. Additionally, these companies frequently outsource this labor to other people, which may be quite profitable. To begin with, you don't have to be an expert content creator or graphic designer to earn money from this. You may utilize dozens of pre-made Pinterest layouts from websites such as elements.envato.com and creativemarket.com to make appealing pins. Many more templates are also available on websites like canva.com. Then after you find the templates or designs you want to offer, you may create gigs related to the creation of such pins on websites like Fiverr and Upwork. Because your service is listed on websites like Upwork and Fiverr, you'll not only have long-term clients who will keep paying you, but you'll also have a steady flow of new customers. Nevertheless, it's typical to earn between $600 and a few $1,000s each month when you're just starting as a beginner. However, if you have been doing this for some time and have established a customer base, there shouldn't be an issue as to why you can't work from home and generate up to 5 figures per month. Ultimately, though, if you appreciate being artistic and like browsing on Pinterest in particular, this could be worth a go for you. Overall, with some effort, anyone can complete such tasks and earn thousands of dollars utilizing these websites. I hope you found some valuable information in this video, and that's all there is to it. Before we leave, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we release a new video on how to make money online or new innovative strategies to achieve financial freedom. And you can get started right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't be hesitant to leave a comment down below if you have any questions or comments about it. With that being noted, have a wonderful day and I'll see you in the next video.